Konnichiwa and welcome back to Infinite Languages. Today we are going on a fun little trip through the first 11 numbers in Japanese with easy hacks, culture nuggets and smooth pronunciation. Let's make counting in Japanese unforgettable. Here comes our first number 0. 0 in Japanese can be re or zero. Re is more traditional, while zero comes from English and is used in modern context like phone numbers or sports scores. Number 1 is ichi.
Ichi.
In Japan, number 1 often represents beginnings, like your first dream of the year called Hatchi. Number 2 is ni.
Ni.
Just remember, your knee has 2 bones and you will never forget knee. Number 3 is sun. San is also a respectful title in Japanese like Tanaka-san. Number 4 is triki. It can be she or yon.
Yon.
She also means death in Japanese, so yon is preferred in hospitals and hotels. 5 is go, like shouting go, go when your team scores 5 times.
Go.
Also, May 5th is Children's Day in Japan, a joyful festival with carved streamers and samurai dolls. Number 6 is Roku.
Roku.
Think of a guitar with 6 strings. It will rock you. Number 7 can be said shichi or nana.
Shichi.
Easy to remember with nana, your grandpa. Loving the lucky number 7. Yes, of course, 7 is considered lucky in Japan. Number 8 is Hatchi. To remember this, picture a hen hatching 8 eggs. Also, the kanji for 8 spreads outward, symbolizing prosperity and growth. Number 9 is ku. In Japanese, the 9th hour is often when anime battles hit their climax. Late night, high tension, full power. So when you hear ku, expect something epic. Number 10 is chu. To memorize this, imagine pouring juice for 10 friends at a party. Also, in Japanese culture, 10 symbolizes completeness, like 10 fingers, 10 directions, or the famous top 10. And there you have it. Japanese numbers from 0 to 10. Practice them daily and master the Japanese way. Let's begin.
1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10
Hope you found this video useful to remember these cultural gems with little hacks. Now don't forget to like, share, subscribe and keep learning with a smile. Jane.